Imagine reliving that emotion, no matter where you are. The smell of the rain as it wets your skin, footsteps crunching on the ground, the floral aromas of a field, essences that take us to other places. Raw materials grown in the region of Murcia, joined together with more than 1,500 ingredients from more than 100 different countries in the world to become fragrances that you will always remember. Our extensive experience in the design, development and manufacture of perfumes, cosmetics and air fresheners has made Natuaromatic Laboratories a benchmark company within the sector. The work carried out by our highly qualified perfumers and researchers using the most modern instrumentation ensures that our products always follow the same criteria and comply with our rigorous quality controls. Our Regulatory Affairs Department is responsible for the correct implementation of each project in more than 70 countries. Our more than 5,000 meters squared facilities are located in the region of Murcia in southeast Spain. The manufacturing plant has a cellar equipped with stainless steel tanks with a continuous production capacity of more than 100,000 litres and an annual production of 4 million litres. Natuaromatic Laboratories is committed to sustainability and recycles everything correctly, in addition to using an environmentally friendly production process. We have 4.0 technology through the SAP Business One program to thereby guarantee comprehensive traceability. To carry out special maceration, we use noble gases that prevent oxidation and external contamination. We offer a comprehensive service in the creation of perfumery, cosmetics and air fresheners for third parties and distribution brands. We take care of every detail, from the selection of the perfume through olfactory brainstorming to its packaging that has been carefully designed by our marketing department. Natuaromatic Laboratories has ISO 9001 and ISO 22716 certificates. We're still growing. More than 3,000 satisfied customers in over 13 different countries trust in our products and services. We travel the world exploring new places and cultures so that you can live every moment with the same emotion that moves us every day. Natuaromatic Laboratories, essence of innovation.